If you've been feeling stuck or frustrated in your online journey, it's time for a wake-up call. You're holding on to beliefs that are outdated and blocking your path to success. It's like trying to navigate with a map from the 1800s. Online gurus peddling the same old strategies are like a broken record stuck in the past. It's time to tune them out. First, it's time to challenge everything you think you know. Don't just sit and complain about how the world has changed. It's not about waiting for the right moment. It's about making the right moves. One thing I've learned from personal experience is that quitting isn't always a bad thing. They hop from one idea to the next, leaving a trail of abandoned projects in their wake. They might tell you to drop everything and pursue the latest trend without considering your unique circumstances or resources. Their advice, though well-intentioned, it's not about giving up. It's about cutting your losses and redirecting your energy to better opportunities. Sometimes letting go of what's not working is the smartest move you can make. It's like pruning a tree. By removing dead branches, you allow the tree to focus its energy on growing healthy new ones. Similarly, when you quit things that aren't serving you, you free yourself to pursue endeavors that will flourish. For instance, I used to pour my heart and soul into various projects, clinging to them even when they showed no signs of success. I thought I had to stick it out no matter what. But in hindsight, those were times when I should have exercised the art of quitting. I was essentially pouring good ideas and efforts into black holes. It was draining my energy and stifling my growth. Change with it. Learn new skills, stay updated with the latest trends, and adapt to the evolving digital landscape. And as you navigate this journey, remember, you're not alone. Lean on your network, seek out mentors, and surround yourself with those who inspire and support you. It's in unity that you'll find strength and inspiration to keep moving forward. And finally, as you rewrite your playbook, remember to celebrate your wins, both big and small. Success is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge those wins, revel in them, and use them as fuel to keep you going. Ask yourself, are you really following the right path? Are you clinging to beliefs that are outdated and preventing you from moving forward? It's easy to get stuck in the past, to hold on to what once worked in hopes that it will work again. Quitting allows you to shift your focus to areas with higher potential. But the key to quitting gracefully lies in doing so with minimal damage control. The art lies in knowing when to quit without burning bridges. It's about maintaining professionalism and leaving the door open for possible collaboration in the future. For example, when I realized that a particular project wasn't going anywhere despite my best efforts, I chose to disengage strategically. I didn't just walk away. I communicated my reasons for leaving and expressed my willingness to help with the transition. By doing so, I preserved my reputation and left a positive final impression. This way, I didn't lose valuable connections and opened the door for potential collaboration down the line when the circumstances might be more favorable. Quitting with grace and dignity is a skill that pays dividends in the long run. It's about knowing when to cut your losses, but doing so in a manner that preserves your relationships and credibility. But that's just not how the world operates. Nothing stays the same forever. Times change, seasons change, and so must you. It's not about throwing away everything you've learned, but about adding to it, evolving it, and applying it to the current landscape. The world of today is vastly different from the world of yesterday. And to succeed, you need to understand and adapt to that change. The days of the old playbook are over. It's time to write a new one. A playbook that reflects the realities of today, the challenges, the opportunities, and the lessons learned along the way. It's okay to let go of what no longer serves you. Release the tactics and strategies that have brought you nothing but disappointment and frustration. It's time to clear the deck and start fresh. To break free from the crowd, you need fresh ideas, ideas that reflect the actual state of the online world. Don't settle for mediocrity. Embrace change, learn new skills, and redefine success on your own terms. The world is evolving and it's time for you to evolve with it. This is not about accepting defeat or admitting failure. This is about recognizing that what worked before may not work anymore and adapting. This is survival of the fittest in the online world. It's about staying relevant and thriving in a constantly changing environment. And it's about realizing that the old rules simply don't apply anymore. If you want to win in today's world, you need a new set of guiding principles. Ready to rewrite your story? Then keep watching. This is a message for anyone who feels lost or disillusioned by the online world. If you've ever tried one fad diet after another, hoping for weight loss, or jumped from one get-rich-quick scheme to the next, seeking financial freedom, all while feeling like a failure, it's time to discard that old playbook. Those tactics are relics of the past. It's like trying to play basketball with 1950s rules. You're setting yourself up for frustration. The path to success in this new era is paved with different principles, a different set of rules. It's time to learn them and rewrite your future. Let's face it, the advice you've been fed is often stale, regurgitated wisdom that doesn't fit the new reality. So what do you need to do? But don't stop there. Replace the old with the new. Let go of the past and embrace the present. This is the time for action. Stop waiting for the perfect timing because it doesn't exist. Start now. Begin with small steps. Start taking action. When you identify a venture that isn't paying off, it's essential to detach and redirect. Some people might hear this and immediately think of social media gurus who preach a carefree attitude towards online ventures.